fidget spinners in the... Better. Alright, so I had like 100 subs. And then I just dropped. Like, I don't really know. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm not mad. I'm not mad! But, today I bounced back. Fuck me. Alright, whatever. We got this. So, we're going to be reviewing fidget spinners. Because who doesn't want to subscribe to a guy that reviews fidget spinners, honestly? Alright, so we got this yellow one, okay? I really like this one. Howard already made a video on this, didn't he? Fuck! God damn it! I got a new idea. Oh yeah, this shit's happening. It's bullshit out here. So we're reviewing some Nerf guns. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh yeah. You got the Rapid Strike. Good gun. Very good gun. I used this in the Soviet Union. Alright, so then you got the Strong Arm. Now, I have a problem with this gun, okay? I don't know. There's just something wrong with this gun. I don't know. Every time I look at it, just look at it. Look at it. Look at it in the fucking eyes and tell me you don't fucking hate it. Alright guys, so now, I got another gun, the Retaliator. Now, I don't really like this gun personally, but I have a friend that tried to steal it from me and I fucking shot him, with this gun. Oh my god. If I can get the... Hey! So, it's like this, but then you can, like, add shit on it. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's you know... It's a pretty good gun. Pussy Bomb Launchers 2017. Hey. Alright, so now we got the... this one doesn't have a name. I don't think it does. I don't see the name on this one. So I'm gonna name it Roy. This is Roy, everyone. And Roy... Me and Roy. God, I'm overusing that name. Get the fuck out of here. No one wants you, you fucking piece of shit. Roy is the new fucking you. Piece of fucking shit. Alright, guys. I can't keep doing this, alright? I'm done. I'm not mad, okay? I'll get those subs back one day, okay? You just wait. It'll take about a year, but it's fine. So, I'm going to do a rapid upload today. July 5th. So, I'm going to upload this video. I'm going to upload a bunch of fucking videos, okay? It's going to be fucking great. And hopefully all those videos will give me my 100 subs back. If they don't, well... I don't fucking know. So, yeah.